What's going on, traders? It's day number 7 of the $5,000 account challenge, and we're up $960 on the day. Whew, I had to full port this trade to get out of it safely, but here's what happened. PLTR, straight off the day trade watch list. I posted this for you over the weekend for free as a long idea above 132, looking for the run to the all-time highs, which we get shortly after the open. Now, here's what I did, and here's what I should have done. I dip bought this pullback, but I should have dip bought this pullback. I feel like had I bought this pullback here, I would have been selling at the high of day. But because I waited, I stayed a little patient, maybe hesitated a bit. I buy this pullback, and then I go immediately red on the trade. But because I went in with about half size on the first entry, I was able to commit to this trade fully with an add down here that lowered my cost basis. And then when we got the rally back up to the high of day area, honestly, I was looking for much more, didn't quite get it. And when this started to pull back, I was like, let me just take the profits while it's there. So I went ahead and took the profits there. I made about, I think 13 or 14% profit on this trade, which gave me a $960 gain on the day. So very cut and dry, very straightforward. Don't chase the move, wait for the dip, commit to the add on the dip, and then get the rally back up. Now you see another arrow over here. This is where I was talking to the team and I was saying, if you're not taking the profits on this, it's still okay because this was shaping up a bull pennant pattern. But when this started to break down, I was just reminding everybody, hey, make sure you're managing your risk. Don't let this trade get out of hand. And the ultimate cut point on this trade would have been here when it broke back below the previous day's closing price. So whether you took the profits up here or whether you cut the trade down here, it's not a bad trade. It only becomes a bad trade if you hold through and hope as this sells off into the low of day and even lower. Now, I know this was short, sweet, and simple, but there is something to be taken away from this trade, and it is this. When you commit to an add on a position, where you commit to that add, that needs to be, we're going to call it the point of no return. So by adding to this position here, I was leaving no extra room down below for this to continue to dip. Had it continued to do so, I would have cut the position right away. So that's the lesson here. When you are adding or scaling into a trade, where you take your final entry needs to be a point of no return, meaning if it dips any lower than where you take your final entry, you cut the trade immediately. There's a big difference between adding to a losing trade versus scaling into a trade to manage your cost basis. So put that in your notes, remember it for later, add it to your arsenal. This is a perfect example of how to properly scale into a trade. That's all that I have for you today. Day number 7, up $960 in the $5,000 account challenge. New balance $8,500, and in just 7 days, we're up $3,500 total. A lot of members made some good money off of this today too. We've got Lionheart with $830 on the day, A-Pop with 21% and 18% off of re-entry, MZ with a 20% gain on this trade, Rich with 22%, Willie with $79 on the day on this trade, 23% from AMR, Hunter up 18%, Valerio up $600 on PLTR, and it keeps going as we scroll down further. I'm showing you these profits because I want to let you know that the Discord server pays for itself. It's not too late to join the $5,000 account challenge. You can start at any time with any amount. What's important is that you get in here and start learning from me. I trade live every single day for the duration of this challenge, and I give you everything that you need to know: the entry price, the exit price, the contract selection, where to take your exits, or if you're cutting the trade, where to place your stop loss. Now, ultimately, where you decide to sell or where you decide to cut is going to be up to you, but the most important thing that I give you here is the reason why these trades are high probability, why these trades offer good opportunity, why the reward here is worth the risk. So come join, try us out. The link to join is going to be in the description of this video. Sign up for the WAP. That's going to give you access to the Discord server, which is in turn going to give you access to the $5,000 account challenge and the live trading. Again, start at any time with any amount. Thank you for your time. Press that like button for me, and hopefully I will see you on the inside tomorrow for day number 8 of the $5,000 account challenge. Cheers.